Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a butterfly, but it's not a normal butterfly that we're just going to draw and anything. We're going to make it, some other butterfly. So first we are going to fold the paper just like this. See, like that. And now we're going to draw the butterfly. Okay, so first we're going to take the pencil, just turn this around like this, like this, and start drawing like that. Like just like this. And if you don't know how to draw, please take the help from your parents because if you don't know how to draw, then it will be a whole mess up. Now, let's go. Just wait just a minute. Okay, like this, and then like this. See? Now we are just going to now we're going to cut this. Wait, sorry viewers, let me just take a scale from my pencil box. So let me draw. Yeah. So now we're going to cut it. Just wait for a while. It's very hard to cut as a butterfly because it's actually. So please take the help of your parents because scissors are very dangerous. Just a minute. Sorry. Yeah. It's very hard to cut a butterfly and very bad. Now we have come to the easy part. Yay. If you want, you can even draw lines here. If you want, but not in the drawing. Just. Now let's cut the other side. something like this, and we're done. It took a lot of time to make one. It took a lot of time to cut it, but here is the results. It should be like this. Now let's erase this part. Now see, right here, you could add, so let's take some watercolor. So now add a split of your favorite color. You can use any color you want. Like I am using blue. Doing a split. Guys, you can use any color you want. It does not matter if you want to copy me. If you want to copy me, you can copy me if you want. I'm putting a flyer, flip up every single paper. Okay, so I've added all my favorite colors. Now just fold it back. And try to fold it back. And press it as hard as you can. If you want, you can also paint it on the other side, but it's better if you will just press it. It should not dry. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. Wait, how? I'm actually sorry, guys, but this is not happening actually. Like, how? Like, how's that not happening? Dude. I'm sorry, but let me just do something. Yeah, not good. Now let's try to do this again. Now we have yellow. It's like a little yellowish greenish. Here, Now let's see if this works or not. So let's wait for some time. It should be right. About that, if you want, you can make other of these. Now let's see. Nice. Now you can mix some other of your favorite colors. Now you can mix other colors like green, like that, other color. Yes, purple. I know it doesn't mix brown. So pick it as colorful as you can. And then we add red. See how it looks? Doesn't it look nice? Now let us take a sketch pen and use. Now that line up. I like that. For some reason I have done that part, so sorry. Sorry, but you can also. Now you can, and you're like, if you want, you can even outline the dots. It won't look good if you connect it. So even if you're connected, make it like this. It'll look good like that. I knew it took some time, and now we can start continuing. If you want, you can even paint that part. I'm painting it because I like painting mostly. And we're done. A good little butterfly that you can post it anywhere. So we have done our butterfly now. We can flap our wings. So if you want to make a good one, then just click the subscribe button and like our channel. Now bye!